Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word notices. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She always notices the small details that others tend to overlook. Notices in this context refers to the act of observing or taking notice of something, often indicating a high level of attentiveness or perceptiveness. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.